How did it tie up back?
Jesus! It actually has been mint.
I couldn't hack it, love. I couldn't hack it. It's over for us.
I don't believe that we should quit necessarily.
It's over.
Alright. Alright.
When I was a kid.
Oh, you bastard.
It's bad up here. I'm gonna have to get down for it fucking blows me off.
Lily, are you ready for the adventure? Are you really ready for adventure? About look. You're gonna.
Yeah.
I did want to put this thing back.
You can.
It'll fit.
Oh, right, yeah.
Put it here. And just. Don't have to be long, but we'll just tell them that we're doing National Free Peak, so we're doing Ben Nevis, Scafell, Pike in Snowdon.
Yep.
I don't know if you've had much sleep.
No, not really.
I've had alright sleep, to be fair. And how are you feeling?
Horrible. Horrible, but I can't wait.
I'm feeling better, so I don't know. I'll just fucking keep updating the pals. I'll see you in a bit.
Right. I'm here to tell the people what's dangerous about Ben Nevis. It's called cornices, is that how it's pronounced? And the overhanging lips of windblown storm that builds up on the side of ridges and cliffs. So they look like solid ground and they can extend several metres beyond the true edge. So if you're doing it in winter, just stay well back from any edges, 10 to 20 metres minimum. We're not going to compass on that, but we have got this front, the Yorkshire Grid, so we should be alright. So just to let you people know, that's what you're going to do. You want to add on to that? It's that honky tonk guitar at the beginning. Fancy like by Ward the Hills, I feel like that. Yeah, that's the one.
Speedrunning. Have you got a double sausage and a good one?
Yeah.
So which way would you eat it? Cheese on top?
I don't know, to be fair. No, it's not helpful. There's no we can do about that. I'm aiming for bottles, bro. You know the Manchester United? Yeah. Did you ever like it? It's been so long. I can't imagine you in that. That's brilliant. Vlogs on, man. Vlogs on. Zosis boots. Yeah. Pass me. Could you pass me on, please? Could you offer both or not? Yeah. Ow. Right, we're here. It's 2:20. Obviously when we start walking we start in time. There's our clothes fucking jam. Clothes jam. Right, we're on go. When should we say it starts? When we fucking when we pay for parking. I say we do that bridge at the start, mate.
Need to be a good camera holder though. Right, I know it feels a bit gay, but...
No, it's not gay. I'm going to take a picture now for my reference. Can I get a... Come on.
Right, I'll sort out this parking. We can tell the people what the parking prices are.
Oh yeah, we've got to display the parking.
I don't know. I think you can do it online, to be fair. So this is what it says. Oh, right. The fact will change back over, innit? 1 hour £2, 2 hours £4, 3 hours £6, all day £8. I'm arguing it.
Film.
Hiya. Right, we're here now. I'm gonna say this is the start. So, what time are we on now? We're on. Well, basically 2:30. And I'm gonna start my watch. Basically now, outdoor walk. Right, should we have some opening thoughts?
Yes, do you think it's going to be achievable?
I think it's going to be achievable. I think there's going to be highs and lows. I think we're excited now that we've got started. It's going to be a doddle.
It's going to be a doddle,
It's just going to be a doddle, man.
Right,
So, yeah, it's going to be easy. So, yeah, I love you and leave you. We'll wait until we get up there, but it's not a doddle.
Yeah.
And, well, hopefully it's not a doddle. And they've got something to watch then, haven't they? Right, in a bit. Oh, is it not the moment? Is it not the time for it?
Do it if you want.
Well, need to say something to him really. We're like an hour in,
Yeah.
so we're like 1/24 of the way through the entire trip. And it's a doddle. An absolute doddle. Snow, we'll be getting into snow soon. So I'll show you it up there. That's it, not really being going through my head. I don't know if we're pushing it too hard, too quickly. And then we might be cramping up later on, I don't know.
Yeah.
But we should be able to run down these, which will dramatically reduce the time that it takes us.
Yeah.
So, how are you feeling, pal?
Alright, mate. Tired, but alright.
Yeah. So that's the update. Right, I'm back on vlog scene, man. I'm back on vlog, man. So to update there, we're in fucking snow now. It's good, isn't it, pal?
Yeah, it's nice weather.
Yeah, decent. It's not as cold in this
It's actually not cold at all.
No, not in this isolated bit. I think when we get a bit further up though, maybe. Ooh, I can't find out. Well, I don't know about this light. I can't find out. What time is it and So it's 3:42, which means it's going to get dark in 40 minutes maybe, I don't know. 4:30 I think some says. Well, it'll still be light for a bit, won't it?
Yeah. I've got a second wind now, so alright.
Yeah, I think when it gets that zigzag bit, then it might be a bit tough.
Are these one size fits all or what?
Yeah, well no, they're like size 8 to 11 I believe. Crampon time. Never worn these in my life. But we'll see how it goes. code, man. How do I do this then? I might have mine on the wrong foot there. Yeah, this is on a certain foot. I think they're on a certain foot.
How does it tie up bar?
You just pull it. Oh fuck.
Jesus!
My body. Put it on direct skin.
So it's not looking good, this.
So this is where we are. If I can see.
Yeah.
I think. Are we still going to go this corner and see how we get on?
Possibly.
Yeah.
But it's looking like
Right.
dire straits now.
As I'm walking up this thing here.
Yeah, and if you die, you die. I'm slipping this end.
So this is what predicament we're in currently. We've got 500 more metres and a few more turns. And you can see, well, I don't know if you'll be able to on camera.
It's not recording, mate.
Is it not? So
It's
what?
not.
Oh right, it'll still be recording.
Alright, pal.
But it's fucking steep. Just watch how I'm walking here. To get just on one fucking turn, man.
Yeah, it's over.
Man, my crampon is just come off.
Not enough!
I've not had enough, I can carry on. Well, I can't.
Oh shit, man! I think we're gonna turn back. Georgie, you were right. I couldn't hack it, love. I couldn't hack it. It's over for us. I'm coming back alive and safe though, you'll be pleased to know.
We're still doing Scafell with that, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right. Those trying to fucking survive it.
Let's fucking, we need to go now. I can't fucking see out anymore. I was roly-poly down. It actually has been mint. The best part is I don't have to stay awake 24 hours anymore.
I'll go all the time.
Oh, I can't feel my fucking hands again. Gloves are after gonna come off now again.
Hello, the people. Well, we're still on Ben Nevis with my friend Ellis, and it was dangerous up there. Essentially, you will see the footage, and we chose to turn back, which was definitely the right choice. Anyway, we've now got options to make. What? Philosophically, Ellis believes now we've not actually touched the top of the mountain.
Where are we going?
Still down there. That the 3 peak challenge is now already failed and it should not be continued. It is in somewhat correct, but I don't believe that we should quit necessarily. I don't know, what, is they out forward than that? So we've not made that decision. We are still carrying on with the trip as of yet. We're scaling that mountain, we're on timings, we were close to the top, about 300-400 metres. And yeah, had to turn back. So we're just going to see what crack is. We're just going to see what crack is. We don't feel like anyways that we've earned a bash up. It would somewhat feel wrong to get levered. So we don't know what we're doing. Have you got any additional comments, Quell? Or viewpoints?
No, just that I've had fun.
Yeah, it was pretty
And,
fun up there.
I'm ready to do whatever we do.
Yeah, it was pretty fun up there, to be fair.
We're doing it.
Yeah, we were nearly there, and I've
I've
never laughed as much in my life, to be fair. Who knew being so close to death was so funny?
Oh no. Stepped in a massive puddle. I'm going home.
So yeah, I'll leave you with that anyway, pals.
Alright.
In a bit. Hello, people. We are now at Scafell Pike. We are maybe slightly behind time. I don't think we're going to do it in 24 hours. But me and our Quell Bob's going to have some porridge.
Oh wow.
Did I get sorted?
You got that head to
I've got it. You want it? Yeah, give me a sec.
Good little tool, isn't it?
Yeah. I went after one for ages.
Did you have a spare spoon or not?
Yeah. Just trying to find a torch at the minute. Yeah. Let's have a look. So yeah, I didn't have any sleep. I'm just fucking updating looking for football. You got like 10 minutes, didn't you? Maybe 20 minutes. I rested my eyes and whatnot. But other than that, but no. Is what it is, isn't it? Alright. Alright. Now at the Trig point. Right, on his way back to Barnsley. Quell's there for me.
Demoralised, distraught, despondent, 3Ds.
So that is that. But there's some good footage on there, so you can't. Right, I'm going to Snowdon now. When I was a kid, we lost the man. Had to drive from Barnsley to here, so obviously that's free. It was like 3 hours to Barnsley. 3 hours back to Snowdon. So just gonna try smash this out and then probably sleep in car for a few hours and then get back home. So yeah, wish me luck. Photo in the feet with trout, and it's still a fucking fair bit. Actually, might be it. It has been tough, to be fair, especially when I was asleep. If you had a driver that could let you fucking sleep,